Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. In today's video, I'm come to show you how you can make better cookies with just 3 ingredients. And you see how yummy it look? So let me show you the ingredients you need. You need chilled butter, chilled one, and all-purpose flour and sugar powder. Put the butter into the clean mixing bowl and you start creaming it until you see it's soft and it has changed to white color. Then it has changed to white color. It's soft now, so I'm going to add the sugar powder to it. You add your sugar powder, and I have the how you can make your homemade sugar powder. I have it on my YouTube channel, so you can check it. And you cream it. My butter I'm using don't have too many salt. The salt is not okay for me, so I'm adding a pinch of salt. The same like you, if you are making your own and the salt is not okay for you, you can add salt to a small one, a pinch of salt, not too much, and you mix it all together like the way I'm making it. And you know, I have better recipe also in my YouTube channel. So if you need the recipe how you can make your homemade butter, you can use it. And then you take your flour and you sieve it. You sieve it what I'm making it. You sieve it like this, yeah. And you use your spatula to mix it, or you can use wooden spoon also to make it, yeah. And I'm thanking my old subscribers, my followers, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. May the Lord bless you. We are almost in Christmas, so try to make something special with your own hand, homemade cookies. Yeah, and this one, if you make it for your children, they will be happy and they will enjoy. Surprise the children in your neighbors, your area. Surprise them with these cookies, yeah. And it's very simple recipe. And now you use your hand to knead it, yeah. You knead it small, like you are massage someone, yeah. You need to massage it small. Take plastic wrap, the white one, the plain one. You sprinkle small flour on it, then you transfer your dough inside. You see like this. You use your hand also press it small, or you can massage it small like this. Then you cover it, yeah. You wrap it the way I'm making it. Do the same. You wrap it, you put it into the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes. Then you take it out and you are coming to cut it, yeah. After 30 minutes it's already chilled. It's supposed to be chilled before you can make this one. You sprinkle small flour on the surface. You are going to use it, and take your rolling pin and you roll it. The rolling pin is supposed to put flour on it before you can use to roll it. Do it the same I'm doing. Do the same, and the thickness should be 1/8 thick, yeah. You see, and you take your cookies cutter, you cut it. We have different type of shape. Heat the oven 180 degrees Celsius. don't forget to follow, like, and share my Facebook page, the same like my YouTube channel. Thank you. And Instagram too. After cutting all finish, you place all into the baking tray with paper land like what I'm making it, and you bake for 10 minutes to 12 minutes or until you see it's golden nice brown like this. Remove from the oven, let it be cool before you serve it. Your butter cookie is ready. Enjoy! And you can store in airtight container for 2 to 4 weeks. Please don't forget to follow all my social media platforms: Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell there, like it, comment, and share it. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.